um, uh, the truck that they usually use for the SWAT robots and explosive ordnance disposal. I think they just joined the chase. They happened to be out at the shooting range out there and joined in the pursuit. I believe that's a law enforcement truck. Oh, there we go. Looks like he's gonna lock him in or try to. Ooh, ooh. And now there's some contact, and he's taking off. So he's run the red light there now. And he's continuing in toward ASU now. Ooh, and he's going to blow right through that red light. Ooh, oh my gosh, and he's really, really speeding up now. Oh man, a lot of pedestrians on the roadway. Yeah, and he is really, he's flying now. He's going really fast. Oh, this is not good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh no, oh no, oh no. Head-on collision with that car, an innocent person. Involved in a head-on crash. And this is exactly what DPS wanted to avoid. And he's running. He's running. He's talking to some bystanders there. He's talking to some bystanders there. I don't know what he's saying there. I'm not absolutely certain, but it looks like that guy crawled out of the vehicle there. I'm fairly certain that's him. Yeah, that's the guy. I think that's the guy. I think that's the guy. He's trying to fool those guys. Yeah, they're not fooled. And down he goes. Yeah, he's trying to use some diversionary tactics there, and DPS not having it.